Bonjour, greetings and salutations YouTube. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a haul video, so if you're interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I'll have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. And if you guys would like to and haven't done so already, don't forget to add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's get into this haul because I got some really great stuff during this trip. Let me start off with kind of like random miscellaneous things first. First thing I got Eliza another like dog. What are these called? Like a dog harness.
Make sure you go to Halloween.
Halloween. Dog harness. This guy it was $7, but it was half off because blue was the color of the week, so it was $3.50. And yeah, I always need like new dog. I feel like they always get them so dirty. I'm just gonna buy a new one. I know that's bad, but while the other one is waiting to be washed, she'll have this one. So awesome. And for some reason, she always I don't know, Eliza, she just gets hers really messed up for some reason. So it's always good to have. Ooh, okay, so another thing that I got, I don't know if you guys use any dry shampoo, but Batiste is by far my favorite. And whenever I see them at the Goodwill, I always pick them up. They're actually not super expensive. I think they're like about $7 at the store when you buy them brand new. But this was only $3 at the Goodwill, and they're like brand new as well. So let me just, love dry shampoo. Yes, okay, so this one smells pretty good, like a nice floral and flirty scent blush. I feel like a commercial. Okay, so then I got these two bags full of toys for the kids. I don't want them to hear because they're right there. But they are super cute. This bag was only $1.99. This one was $2.99. And they are filled with some of their favorite things. So you can't really go wrong with these. They're a really great price. Like literally for one of these action figures, it's probably like twice the price of this whole entire bag. So excellent. Really excited for that. That's a really good deal, I feel like. And while we're on the topic of toys, though this kind of goes into the realm of backpacks because it is, or an accessory, I got this Hedwig owl backpack, literally brand new from Target. And this guy, how much was he? Oh, his price right there under my letter to Hogwarts is $3.99. And this is gonna go perfect because for Halloween I want to be Harry Potter this year, I think. And let me tell you, I'm on my way to my complete outfits because I already have pretty much all the other stuff. I don't have the cape, but I have the clothes, I have the glasses, I have a wand, I have the owl, and get this, did you see this, Zach? I also have the sorting hat. So this is super cool. He actually talks and everything, supposedly. I don't know how to turn them on. Press to hear. Which house will you choose? I don't know. Oh. Did you hear that? Super cool. The hat was $14.99, a little expensive, but these hats are really pricey at Target, and this one talks and moves and you can wear him. So this is gonna be perfect for Halloween. Very excited. I'm already set for Halloween, as far as my costume goes. I have my Hedwig, I have the hat, I have everything else. It's gonna be awesome. And I've already started thrifting decor too, so get ready. Some of the decor pieces have made it into the thrifting videos for this week, so don't forget to check those out because Halloween is just a hop, skip, and a jump away, and I cannot wait to get the decorating videos out because I really, this year for holidays, I really want to go full force in decorating, and I really want to make the house super festive with thrifted decor pieces that are great quality and great prices and recycled from the Goodwill. So it's amazing. I'm really excited about it. So stay tuned for those videos because they are coming up very soon. I think I'm gonna start at the end of September for Halloween. So very excited. The next piece I have here, oh my gosh, this is a Ray Dunn piece. It's so cute. It has a little squirrel and it says mittens, and he has a So yeah, it was like a little mittens and a little hat. This was $1.99 at the Goodwill, and it was so cute. Yeah, I don't know, like I'm gonna need to start like collecting these little plates. Hopefully I can find more, but I just want them all to have like a little something different. But braid down pieces are so cute, and recently I've just been finding them at the Goodwill. I don't know what it is, but I am very thankful and very excited to be able to share them with you. The next piece I have here, now this is a piece that I actually collect a lot of, but this is the first piece I have gotten in green, and I don't really anticipate buying any more of the green pieces unless they're serveware, because I have a full collection of yellow pieces, and I have the whites, and these are called the Emma from Pottery Barn, and they come in yellow, white, green, and I believe a very rare porcelain. If I ever found the blue, I would totally buy it in a heartbeat. But green is it's beautiful, but I just don't think I'm gonna be. I don't know. Maybe I will if I find really great pieces in the future, like a lot of them. If I could find like 8 of one piece all at once, then I probably might, especially if they're dinner plates. But yeah, that's not right now. The parents are home. Alright guys, I am back. Sorry about that. Everyone was like walking through here. I'm like literally in the middle of the house. But I'm really excited to share with you guys the rest of the stuff that I got. And first thing I have here to show you guys again, after that brief, momentary step away, is this beautiful like Anthropologie mug. And I saw it and it like kind of looked like I don't know, like a beehive to me. Also a little bit golf ballish, to be honest. But I think it like, I honestly don't even know what it is. I think it's like a mug. But it might also be a gravy boat. Could be a planter. It could be something to hold a candle. Like, I feel like this is what like people would put like their candle into, like when they walk out in the middle of the night before they had electricity, and they just have like a candle burning in here, and then they could walk around in like their long like pajama thing with like the cap and whatever. I don't know, I'm just like going on a tangent, but it's pretty cool. It's $2, and it still has the original tag from Anthropologie, which was $12. So really fun. I love collecting Anthropologie pieces, and just adding to the collection is always fun. And then the next piece I have here, this is my last piece of pottery, and it is this really cool, like kind of footed bowl. It has like handles. It's really nice. It's a white. It's from Crate & Barrel. It was originally, well, I don't know originally the price, but it was $10. But yeah, it's so cool. I think it's such a nice bowl. You can put fruit in here. You can put plants in here. You can just leave it just like this. So many things you can do a little thing with, like a little set of things to decorate with it, or so many different options for this guy. So really excited about this. I love Crate & Barrel. Again, if you guys watch any of my videos, I love Crate & Barrel, Z Gallery, Pottery Barn, West Elm, any of that kind of stuff. You can find really great stuff. So this is beautiful. It's probably around, something like this would probably be like around $50, $60, $70 at Crate & Barrel. So I think $10 is a pretty good price. And this is also an excellent gift if you wanted to gift it to someone. It's beautiful. So, and this is also dishwasher safe, so you can actually put food in here. So if you wanted to use it as kind of like a soup tureen, if you wanted to, you know, do whatever, fruit bowl, sky's the limit. So really excited about that piece. So many things that you can do with that. And then I think pretty much all I have left are the handbags, which I know a lot of you guys are always excited about them, just like me. My first love, I think, is going to be handbags with thrifting. So the first item that I have here is this Francis Biacia bag. I got this guy for $8. It's just a nice leather crossbody bag. Great like compartments. When you open it up, it has 1, 2, 3, so it's a trifecta, and then it zips all the way across, but when you open it, it opens like that. There is a zipper pocket here in the middle, and yeah, it's just like nice, and the leather is so nice on this. Like, I just love the feel of it. It's so beautiful, and the crossbody strap is really great, and it's adjustable, it has silver hardware, and I got this guy for $8. Really great price, I think. There's that. Then up next, we have this Michael Kors This one is really nice. I love the handle on here. It's like a hobo bag. It has really great studs that run around the front and also the sides. And then the handle has like that braided leather on the sides of it. Brass hardware. It's beautiful. Yeah. I also kind of like that it doesn't scream Michael Kors too. I love like kind of like the anonymity, but it's still a gorgeous, beautiful bag. And it kind of like it kind of looks like a vintage Chloe to me too. That's like kind of like the style that I thought of when I first saw it. It could also be like a Rebecca Minkoff, so it's like very like an ambiguous style, which I think is pretty fun. And plus the leather is just stunning. The details are beautiful, and it's just a great bag. So really excited about this. And this guy was $12.99. There's that. Then oh, this one was another beautiful handbag. I remember when these bags actually first came out. I think it was like in 2013, 2012, around there. It is a Cole Haan Cole Haan kind of like satchel tote, and it does have like the crossbody strap inside. Look at the inside. It's a bright orange. It's a beautiful. I love the light tan with like the dark brown. Like, I love that with the orange and the interior. It's just a great bag. Has a zipper in the interior, 2 open pockets, and then a card pocket. Sorry about the steps. The kids are like walking back and forth upstairs, but it's just a beautiful bag. It's just really great. The leather is amazing. It's a beautiful pebbled leather, so soft. It actually kind of feels like the Fendi leather. I always forget the name of the type of leather that it is, but it's beautiful. And this is this is just like it. It's beautiful. So gorgeous, love it, and so excited to have it for you guys. Again, all those bags are gonna be up in the shop. And then last but not least, I was so excited for this, especially because I actually remember when this bag came out, and I was like, that is so cool and innovative and new and fresh. And it is this Comme des Garcons. And it's like a Comme des Garcons like paper bag, but then it's in plastic. And it says Comme des Garcons. And it's the same on the back. Okay, so it had a little boo-boo. I don't know what happened, but the paper got torn, and then there's a stain, and then it got cut. So we're gonna do a little bit of like surgery on this bag, and I think it's going to be a really fun project. But either way, the functionality of the bag has not really been altered in any way. The interior is still in great condition. It's great that there's like a fabric lining in the inside, so the fabric lining is totally fine. It's just the exterior that has anything wrong with it, and it's on the back. So at least like one side is in like perfect condition, so that's awesome. So we're gonna try and remove the stain, and we're gonna fix everything up as well as we can, and that is going to be a fun little project. So of course I'm gonna take you guys along for that little journey, and I don't know, we're gonna see what we can do with this bag. So it's awesome though. I'm really excited that I found it. And this guy, how much was the sticker's like right there? No, where's the sticker on this? I think it's $12.99, something like that. I think I told you guys in the store, but it's like missing now. I think one of the kids pulled it off. I think Eliza was like looking at it earlier. But there you go. There's that. And of course, the camera dies on me right at the very end. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast sharing with you guys all this really cool stuff that I found at the Goodwill. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments as well. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently for a chance to be featured in an upcoming vlog for Thrift Find of the Day. And don't forget to check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2 p.m. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! So the best part is that it opens. It is crocodile. It's genuine crocodile. It has a little emblem. And I found the crossbody strap, which was inside here. So this is super exciting. This bag is stunning. Literally just a little leather conditioner and a little like color touch up. And this thing is gonna look brand spanking new. And it's already so gorgeous. So I'm very, very, very excited. Also, wait, did I show you guys this?